What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Reebok Aztrek in the white and solid teal colorway. First off, a huge thank you goes out to Reebok Classics Canada for sending me over this pair. These are very modestly priced at $90 USD or $130 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is OG white, solid teal, and black. So the box that came with my pair was not the standard retail box. This is actually very dope. It kind of resembles like an action figure box or something like that. It has a really retro and 90s feel to it with this 8-bit design on the front and on the side, and overall it just really screams nostalgia. As for the shoes, so the Reebok Aztrek originally debuted back in 1993. This all-terrain runner was designed by Christian Tresser, who's famously known for designing the Air Max 97. So these Aztreks fit right in with this whole dad shoe theme that we've been seeing for the last little bit. The base layer of the shoe, as you can see along the toe box, this is constructed using this white nylon mesh. Overlaid on top of the toe box, we have this teal colored suede. Also found throughout the shoe, we also have white colored suede, and then taking a look at the edge of the toe box, we have these 3 holes in the suede found on either side, and this exposes the 3M underneath. On the midfoot of both the lateral side as well as the medial side, we have the Reebok stripes that's constructed using this black smooth leather. Also found on the lateral side only, we have the word Reebok embroidered in black directly into the suede. As I turn these over to the back heel, once again we have this overlay of white suede with the 3M hits underneath. Embroidered right in the center, we have this Reebok branding in black. So the laces in this case are just your standard flat laces in white, and then underneath this we have the tongue, which is also constructed out of white nylon, and at the very top we have this Reebok branding done in a combination of black and solid teal. The inner liner of the shoe is completely done in white, and then taking a look at the insole, so these come with a fairly padded white insole with Reebok Aztrek branding on the heel in black. So the upper of these Reebok Aztreks sits atop this full-length foam midsole. Underneath the forefoot we have this hit of black, and then underneath the heel on the lateral side we have this hit of teal. Flipping these over to the medial side, so this is different than the lateral side in that there's a large chunk of the midsole that's actually painted in gray. Incorporated within the foam of the midsole, we have Reebok's Hexalite technology. So this uses a very unique hexagon-shaped pattern that's supposed to give you tremendous comfort and shave a lot of weight off the shoe as well. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have a rubber outsole that's done in a combination of black and solid teal. You'll notice the diamond-shaped traction pattern found throughout the length of the outsole. Underneath the heel, we have this window that exposes the Hexalite technology within the midsole, and then we have this Reebok branding found at the very back heel. From a sizing standpoint, so these fit pretty true to size. So my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Reebok Classics Canada sent me these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. For reference sake, I'm also a size 10 in most of my Air Jordans, most of my New Balance sneakers, as well as certain Adidas models like the Ultra Boost 3.0 and the NMD R1 Prime Knit. Cushioning wise, so there's nothing really groundbreaking about this sneaker. The comfort on these is pretty much standard to what you would expect from an early 90s sneaker. But the one thing that really surprised me and the one thing that I loved about this was this is a lot more lightweight than I initially expected. Seeing this in pictures, it kind of looks bulky and I kind of expected it to be a little bit more on the heavy side. But to my surprise, when I got them in hand, these were actually very light. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these Reebok Aztreks and show you guys how these look on feet. If you guys are into the whole retro look, or if you're onto that dad shoe wave, then this is a very good model to consider. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge Reebok head, but I'm always receptive to trying new models, or in this case, reissues of old classic models. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Reebok Aztrek. I'm sure that Reebok is gonna be releasing these in a ton of colorways in 2018. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram as well at sgo8, and check out my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, I just want to give one more thank you to Reebok Classics Canada for hooking me up with this pair. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.